Hi, this is Artin Behdad, and today I'm gonna teach you how to calculate your lot size correctly and use this free software. You can download this free software from the link below of this video. Okay, I've created this video because many traders emailed me and they said, for example, they trade 1 lot per trade or they trade 0.1 lot per trade. Is that correct? No, it's not. Please pay attention. It's not correct. I don't know them. I don't know their trading system. But I know trading fixed lot size is not correct. Okay? You should calculate your lot size for every single trade. Please pay attention. Fixed lot size is not correct, but fixed risk is correct. So you should calculate your lot size with this money management. It's very easy. We have 2 examples that I will show you how to fill this software and calculate the lot size for each example. In the first example, the account is $100,000. He wants to trade Euro USD. The distance between price and stop loss is 45 pips, risk per trade 2%, and he trades 2 units per trade. Okay? So, his account size is $100,000. So in the first table, we should choose USD because the account is in USD. Then the currency we want to trade is Euro USD. Euro USD. The balance account is $100,000. The risk, please pay attention. The risk is 2%, but he wants to trade 2 units. So we should divide 2% per 2. It will be 1% per unit. Okay? So we write here 1. Just 1. We don't need to write percent. Okay? Just 1. A stop loss. A stop loss is the distance between price and the stop loss, and you should know it in your strategy. Okay, in your strategy you should know where is your entry point, where is your stop loss, and the distance between price and stop loss will be here. In this case is 45 pips. 45. Okay, then click on calculate. The lot size for this example is 2.22. Okay, it's very easy. It's very, very easy. The next example. The account is 1,000 euro. Okay. He wants to trade USD JPY. Distance between price and stop loss is 33 points in this example. His risk is 1.5% per trade. And he wants to trade 3 units. Okay. So the account is in euro. So we should check euro here. He wants to trade USD JPY. It doesn't matter what he wants to trade. You can trade JBP CHF, any currency. But in this example, it's USD JPY. Her account is 1,000 euro. Okay? His account is 1,000 euro. He wants to trade, he wants to risk 1.5%, okay? But in 3 units. So we should divide 1.5 per 3. It will be 0.5, okay? And the stop loss, you know the stop loss is distance between entry point and a stop loss point. In this case, it's 33 point. 33, okay? Now click on calculate. In this example, this trader should trade 0.02 lot size. Okay? It's very easy, but it's very important that you calculate your lot size in any single trade. Okay? That's it.